Guys, welcome to yet another video, and on today's video I'll be telling you everything. I will be spilling the tea about my plants because you guys have been in my DM asking me, where did you get your plants, how often do you water them? So I'm gonna just tell you how I take care of my plants, where I got them, my whole plant shopping experience. So to begin with, I got my plants in Westlands, just after Sarit Center on your way to Wakabete. It's such a long stretch with guys who sell plants, and they have variety. They have variety at different sizes and all that. I mean, I knew nothing about plants. In fact, I thought plants were so expensive. Like, honestly, I had budgeted 3,000 for only 2 plants. To my surprise, with the 3,000, I got 7 plants. Like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And that's how I actually started with so many plants. So when I went there, they have, see, I told you they have like a plantation-ish. So me, nimepelekwa kwa shamba, so I selected my 2 favorite plants based on how they looked. Me I wasn't in it for the research no, that one was cute and that one was cute, and the guy already said they can survive anywhere. I was like, train them. Those are the plants I'm getting. So after nimezichukua, so they told sawa wanakufanyia calculation, like they were trying to, no, they told me how much actually the plant costed. And they told me it's 1,000 bob. I'm like, these 2 plants are 1,000 bob. I said, yeah. I was like, turudi kwa shamba, because I am getting myself more, because I am going big or going home. So that's how I ended up with 7 plants. Good thing about shopping Happily, they have variety. Also, it's not even about variety, Sana. They also have like different sizes. Like, come on, if you want like such a small plant so that you can nurture it and tender to it, you will get it. If you want an already mature, grown up plant, you will also get that, honestly. Like, and also they cater for you all your needs. Alafu, clearly you had the price is very fair, right? Because I mean 7 plants for 3K. That was like, me, that was amazing. That was good. From Hapo, the other thing, this is the other mistake I did. When I bought my plants, I did not buy the pots. I bought the pots after I bought my plants, which is such a big mistake, because it's easier buying the plants. No, it's easier buying the pots and then buying the plants, because now you can actually get plants that fit in your pots. Because I mean, pots come in size moja, like, unlike plants zenye zina vary. I don't know if I'm making sense, but you guys understand. I hope you understand. So that was a big challenge. When I bought my pots, oh my god, like I had to like search more, and sometimes I would have to settle on some pots just because of the plant size. So I got myself 7 plants. I went home with my 7 plants. 2 weeks later, a week later, my friend was like, you know what, Sha, I also want plants. Mimi sinikampeleka, and guess what? I added 2 more plants. Now I'm a proud mother to 9 amazing plants. Hallelujah, because why not? So I have seen a lot. People on the internet are saying how you cannot settle for, like, if you become a plant animal. If you become a plant parent, like, you just want to add more and more and more. And now I understand why. So up to now I have 9 plants. How are we doing? We're doing okay. By the way, I have not killed any of the plants. All you haters who are like, you are not supposed to start with 9 as you 7. None is dead. Shock on you. They're all alive and healthy. Well, healthy, I'm not sure, but they're all alive. So guys, this is how I take care of my plants. I water my plants once a week, and I choose on Friday, because every time I pour myself like a drink on Friday, I'm like, my plants deserve happiness too, because in this house, we are a house of happiness. There's no way one person will be drinking and the plants will be sad. I'm like, no. So every time I water my plants, uko month 3ish, happy hour ikifika, that's when in this house everyone happy hours. If I am happy houring, even my plants are happy houring. So I water my plants once a week. That's on Friday. And I water them like one glass of water, because those guys, I don't know, they just told me plants do not need like that much water, so 1 glass is enough. And of course, if the pot is smaller, I even go less. For the succulent, I think succulent, I water them once in 2 weeks. And let me tell you guys, imagine my succulents are the ones that are not healthy. I do not understand why. So basically, that's how I water my plants. I also wipe them. Now, you know, they have to be clean. Tuwezi kaa kwa hii nyumba na watu wachafu. So I also wipe my plants na some wet cloth. Alafu, other than that, what else? Nothing else. Also, sometimes I cut eggshells because I mean plants also need some protein apparently. So every time I make eggs, I use the shells. I just place them on top, and then apparently they decompose and become like such an amazing thing for the plants. So that's the only thing I use. I just use water and eggshells. So guys, I'm gonna show you all my plants and I will describe them because they are my babies. And also, why not? This is my channel. I'm gonna do what I want. So to begin with, I'll start with my most favorite plant, which is this plant. I don't know if this is the best way to show it, but boy, do I love this plant. So this plant is such a funny plant. It survives best in low light, and this is the funny part. When the light, like if I open the windows, it falls, you guys, like it falls kabisa. Like apparently it's a way of trying to retain water, apparently, but it falls kabisa. Like I think I like them. Like for me, it's more magical. Like the whole idea of it falling sounds and looks really interesting to me. So the next plant is this one. This one, we had a love-hate relationship. Okay, I will try get the names of these plants and insert them somewhere, but for now, I do not know what the names are. This one, we had a love-hate relationship. First is the plant that has almost had me giving up because it had two, initially when it came, like a week later, it already had a flower. In fact, it grows really fast. If you want something that will excite you, please get yourself this because it grew so fast. But it had a leaf. It has already had one. You guys can see this one, another one here too, and this one. This is like new in here wiki. It has had 3 new leaves, but it has also killed 2 leaves. Alafu for me, when a leaf looks ish ni kama haijielewi hivi, I just cut them off because apparently there's no point of wasting nutrients. It's going to die. So that's how I cut my dying leaves. So this is like an amazing plant. So the other one is this one. This at least I know the name. This is called the golden palm. So this one, so I don't even know why I loved it. I mean, now if I was to take back any plants, it would be this one. I mean, I don't know, there's nothing special about it. I mean, apart from just being a golden palm, I think he had an ilibai jina, but it's actually amazing. It's also easy to maintain. And then this other one. Oh, these plants are heavy. Oh, there's this one. This is the famous Monstera. Let me tell you, this was among the plants I got. Thing with it is, I think I had to report it because the first spot was small, and in the process, I tampered with the roots. And ever since, we just have issues. Let me just show you what I mean by. So basically, a Monstera leaf looks like that. But if you've noticed, this one and this one over here are not even complete leaves. You know why? Because they got some like dark spots. And then I googled, because once you become a plant owner, you also become so good in googling about plants. And everyone kept saying it's because you tampered with the roots when you planting it. There's nothing you can do. And then I was like, you know what? This is a sick spot. I will just cut it. Literally, nilikata dark spots. And then it seemed to be working for like a week. But then I've noticed the other, like, inenda spread. So this one, we can as well say goodbye. I'm not sure I will have it like in another year, even like in 3 months. I'm not quite sure about it. This is what I mean by the dark parts. This one, can you guys see this leaf? Huku. Yeah, that is what I mean. Sucks, but it is what it is. And then we have this one. also an impulse purchase. That's why it does not even have like a proper pot. But this one, I just loved it. I think it gave me like Christmas vibes. If you grew up in Keshani, you know this is what we were using our Christmas trees. Actually, that's why I just bought this one, and I liked how luminous. I don't know if it appears luminous in the camera, with some kind of luminous greenish. It looked cute. I was like, I can have it. And then she was like, Ninani, I will try this thing they call propagating. I'm a proper whatever. So imagine these leaves have been here for, how long have they been here? They have been here for like almost 2 months. My hope is to replant them. I was hoping they develop some roots, but clearly it is not happening. But they never turn color. They're just like green. That's how I have it. On camera they look like yellowish, but they're actually green, and that's how, like, they have been here. They're not dying. They're not growing roots. In fact, I thought to myself I'm supposed to pot them. I'll do that, and I'll tell you guys how it goes. So those are all my plants. I mean, when you say there are 9, it sounds like there are so many, but then on camera there's on few. So far so good. Advice on people who want to get plants. Imagine, just do it. I mean, don't wait for the perfect time at the perfect. If you want to get yourself 10 plants, get them. It's never that. Imagine, it's never that serious. It's never. It's never that serious. So guys, that is everything about my plants. There's nothing extra apart from what I told you that I do. I hope you found this video useful. Please remember to subscribe, like, share, and comment down below. Tell me if you already gotten yourself some plant and how it is for you. I'm happy for you guys watching, and I'm happy for the questions. I'm happy that you guys get to enjoy some of my videos.